Hello students, here I am with the next exercise, that is exercise 8.2 proportion. In my last class I have taught you exercise 8.1, right? So we will solve few questions from this exercise. So the first question you see, find the fourth proportional for the numbers 11, 143 and 13. That means three numbers are given here and we have to find the fourth proportion. If I say A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D, these four numbers are in continued proportion. This means A is to B 4 dots, C is to D. A is to B means A by B. Now 4 dot means equals to sign. C is to D means C by D, right? So these four numbers can be written as A by B equals to C by D. But you see, for this question 11, 143 and 13, fourth number is missing here. Only we have three number. So A, B and C, D is missing, right? So we will consider, that is for question number 1. We will solve now question number 1. Let the fourth proportion be x, right? If the fourth proportion is x, then how we are going to write this one? Same as 11 into 143 equals to 13 is to x, right? Fourth proportion is x, same as we have written here. Now 11 by 143, that means 11 by 143 can be written as 13 by x, right? Now if you cross multiply, we will get 11 into x, 11x, 13 into 143. Or if you cross multiply again, we will get x equals to 13 into 143 divided by 11. Now we can cancel this one. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 14 minus 11 is 3. Now it becomes 33. 11 3 is 33. Now we have 13 into 13. 13 into 13 is 169. Okay, so this is our required answer. So what we have done, three numbers were given in the question. We have to find the fourth proportion. We will consider, let the fourth proportion be x. So in place of fourth place we will put x. That means 11 is to 143, 13 is to x. So 11 is to 143, 11 by 143 and 13 is to x means 13 by x. Now we will cross multiply and we will get the value of x. That is our fourth proportion, right? Similarly, we will solve for these other two questions. For question number 2, now we have 2, 5 by 7, 14 by 15. 2 means 2 by 1. So here again for question number 2, again we write, let the fourth proportion be x. So this has to be written as 2 means 2 by 1. 2 is to 5 by 7 equals to 14 by 15 is to x, right? Now 2 is to 5 by 7, that means 2 by 1 divided by 5 by 7 equals to 14 by 15 divided by x, right? So you see, now we can make it reciprocal, or what we will do, we will directly cross multiply. You see, 2 by 1 when it is multiplied with x, we will have 2 by 1 into x, and 14 into 14 by 15 was already there. This total number will get cross multiplied there. So what will get 5 by 7, right? Now x equals to 14 by 15 into 5 by 7 into 1 by 2. This 2 will get cross multiplied again here. Now you see, 7 to the 14 and 14. So 14 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. That means what is left down in denominator? Denominator we are left with 3 and numerator we have 1. That means x equals to 1 by 3, right? So this is how we are going to solve for fractional questions. If any ratios are in fraction, then this divide by this, 14 by 15 divided by x. So first cross multiply, take whole term, no need to do reciprocal, right? So take the total term and it will be easy. So calculation will be very easy here. So one decimal question I have taken. So this question is not from your exercise book. So you will see this example and try to solve that decimal question from your book, right? You see, I have taken here 1, 1.5, 2.5. Find the fourth proportion. So 1 is to 1.5, 1 is to 1.5, again 2.5 is to x, because our fourth proportion is what? X. So same way 1 is to 1.5 is 1 by 1.5, 2.5 is to x is 2.5 by x. Now cross multiply x into 1, x, 1.5 into 2.5. If point will remove, then 10 will come down, right? 25 into 15 is 375, 10 into 10, 100. Now after 2 digit you will put point. This is our required answer. Question number 2, find the third proportion for the numbers 12, 18. So here also we will consider, let the third proportion will be x. Let the third proportional be x, right? Third proportional be x. Now as here only two number is given, suppose a and b is only given in the question, then what will be our third proportion? Then we have to write a is to b equals to b is to x. Okay, so this one we have to follow. So what is our a here? Our a is 12 in this question and b is 18. So if I put in this formula, then what I will get here? 12 is to 18 equals to 18 is to x, right? So 12 is to 18 can be written as 12 by 18. 18 is to x means 18 by x. Now if I cross multiply, what I will get here? 12 into x, 12x, 18 into 18. Okay, do not multiply, keep it as it is. So it will be easy for cancelling here. Now 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. Right? That means 9 3 is 27. So this is our required answer. Next question we have, find the third proportion for 4 by 5, 4 by 50. So what is our a here? A is 4 by 5 and b is here 4 by 50. Now again if I put in this formula, a is to b, that means 4 by 5 is to 4 by 15 equals to 4 by 15 is to x, right? So 4 by 5 by 4 by 15 equals to 4 by 15 by x, right? Like in the previous question what I have told, directly we cross multiply. So x into 4 by 5, that means 4 by 5 into x, and 4 by 15 we multiplied with here 4 by 15, right? And after that x equals to 4 by 15 into 4 by 15. When this will cross multiply, 5 will go up and 4 will come down, right? So this cross multiplication will take place. Now 1 4 and 1 4 got cancelled. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So what is left in the numerator? 4 and 3 15 is 45. So this is our required answer. So our third proportion is 4 by 45. Next question, we have 0.15 and 0.25. Okay, we have to find the third proportion. So a is 0.15, b is 0.25. We will use this formula again. So 0.15 is to 0.25 equals to 0.25 equals to x. Same format, right? So 0.15 by 0.25, 0.25 divided by x. Now if you remove the point here, 100 will come down. If you remove a point from here, then 100 will go up, right? Both the hundreds will get cancelled. Then here 0.25, this point will go, then 100 will be coming down again here. So after cancelling the 100, what we have done, we have cross multiplied. 15 is cross multiplied by 100x and 25 is cross multiplied by 25. Now again we need to get the value of x here. So again 15 and 100 got cross multiplied down. 5 3 is 15 and 5 5 is 25. So we will multiply now non-zero terms. 5 into 25 is 125 and 3 into 100 300. So 300, do not write 300, just write 3 into 100, right? So 125 by 3, when you divide, you will get 41.66 and we have 100 down. Now these two zeros, you put point after 2 digit here. Okay, that means the answer will be 0.41. So this is our required answer. The question was in decimal, so answer should also be in decimal. Okay, do not leave it in fraction. So similar type of questions we have in our exercise book. So that decimal questions you will be solving by yourself. Find the mean proportional of the numbers 12 and 108. Now you see, suppose two numbers are there, A and B. If I have to find the mean proportion between A and B, then means formula will be C squared equals to AB. Right? This is the formula. Right? C, then C will be next line, this square will go here, then square root of AB. Okay, C equals to root under A. So what is our A is given? A is given 12 and B is given 108. Okay, so A is given 12 and B is given 108. So what will be our mean proportion? Mean proportion will be, C means mean proportion, right? Or you can write here comma C equals to root under AB. In place of A what will put 12, in place of B what will 108. Now we have to take LCM. LCM of 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. That means here in place of 12 we will be writing 2 2 3. In place of 108, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, 2 27 are 3 9 are 3 3 are 3 1 are 1 2 and 3 3s we will be writing here. Now you see how many 2 are there? 1 2. From 1 to 1 2 will be coming out. So from this 2 3 1 3 will be coming out. From these 2 1 will be coming out, and from these 2 1 3 will be coming out. So what will be our answer? 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 6 6 are 36. So 36 is our mean proportion between A and B. Okay. So this was one method, right? Another method is saying that if you are finding the mean proportion, we have to find like this: 12 is to x equals to x is to 108. Let third proportion be x. Okay, so let the third proportion be x, then you have to use 12 is to x, that means 12 and 108 was given, so 12 is to x, x is to 108. So in between you put x. Okay, so the formula says that A is to x equals to x is to b, if you consider this one as A and this one as b. So 12 by x equals to x by 108. So x into x, x square, 12 into 108. So x will be root under 12 into 108. So ultimately when you find this one, you will solve, you will get 36. Okay. So there are two methods, which one you feel easy you can solve. Right? Both are convenient method. So you can use directly this formula, or you can use 12 is to x, x is to 108. Then cross multiply. Ultimately you have to find the square root only in both cases. Next question, we have 5 and 20. So between these two we have to find mean proportion. Okay. So this one is A is 5 and B is 20. So formula was C equals to root under A into B. So root under A is 5, B is 20. 5 20 is 100. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. Out of 2 10, 110 is coming outside. So this is our answer. If you do by this method, right? If you do by this method, what we have to write? A into x. That is 5 is to x, x is to 20. Again 5 by x, x by 20. Cross multiply. X square equals to 5 into 20 means 100. This square will come here as a square root. 100 means 10 will come out. That means 10 into 10, 100. So this is our required answer. So all the questions I am solving by two methods. Okay, so you don't have to write. So one question you can just write for an example, right? And you can write any of the two methods which you feel easy. Okay, it is your wish. If you want to write, or if you want to solve in two methods, you can solve, or you can choose this method or this method, and you write in your exercise book. Next question, we have half and 1 by 18. We have to find a mean proportion. So by formula, A is half and B is 1 by 18. So mean proportion equals to root under A into B. A into B. Now 1 into 1 is 1. 2 8 is 36, and 36 can be written as 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. Because 1 into 1 is 1 and 6 is 36. So out of 2 1 by 6 and 1 by 6, so 1 by 6 will be coming out. This is our answer. But if we are using with this formula, then we have to write half is to x, x is to 1 by 18. This divided by this, x divided by 1 by 18, cross multiply, x square half into 1 by 10, again square will become square root, 1 by 36 means 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, so 1 by 6 will be coming out. In the both the cases we will get the same answer, okay, whichever method you follow you will get the same answer, the resulting answer will be same. So these are the few questions you will be solving in your exercise book from your textbook, right? And make sure that your work is updated. So after completion of the chapter I may ask you to send the picture of your exercise book, right? So see you soon in my next online class.